Hello angels, thank you for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is 40 and above, where we focus on healthy choices and quality of life. In my last video I mentioned that I would be starting keto. Today's video I'm going to prepare a very delicious keto meal of oxtail and salad. Just so you know, oxtail is loaded with collagen. Let's start cooking. The preparation time to make oxtail is about 2 hours. It's 1 o'clock. The meal will be ready about 3 o'clock, which is okay because I'll start to eat at 3:30, my first meal of the day. So here's the ingredients that you will need. What you will need is you'll need some mushrooms, you'll need some green pepper, some bell peppers, garlic, ginger, onion, tomatoes, and I'm gonna be making it with some red wine. So I got this Alamos garlic salt, any seasoning of your choice. I've got barbecue spice and the oxtail itself, some black peppercorns, and then here's what I'm going to use to prepare the salad. To start, I have my pot ready to go. I also have the oxtail already in there, as you can see, and I've got my black pepper, I've got ginger and garlic. Everything is going to go in there. Then I've got my barbecue spice. This is from South Africa. And then my garlic salt. Next, I'm going to fill this up with water. All the way to the top. Oxtail requires a lot of water when you cook it. Cooking time is 2 hours. Good enough. Put it on the stove. And then you want to cook it at close to high heat. And then cover it up and let it start cooking. Okay, so this is what the oxtail is looking like. I've filled up with water 2 times already. Now it's time to add the red wine to the oxtail. And you put about a glass of red wine. And just so you know, I don't add any oil when I cook, so I haven't added any cooking oil to this oxtail. I just allowed it to cook in its own fat. And then, so I've added water twice, I've added the red wine, and now I'm going to reduce the heat to about medium and allow it to continue to cook. Cover it up. So the oxtail has been cooking on medium heat. It's been cooking in red wine. And now I'm going to add the tomatoes and the mushroom. So we can start cooking these. Mix it all up. And we'll wait for the tomatoes and the mushroom to cook, and then when they're ready, then the oxtail will be just about ready. If you need more salt, you go ahead and add salt. And then I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'll come back and check on it. Okay, so it's been 15 to 20 minutes. Let's take a look at what the oxtail looks like. So this is what it's looking like. It looks good. So the tomatoes that I put in whole, they've actually just melted down. So everything is just cooked through and just mixed in, all the juices, all the spices have just mixed in together, and the oxtail is also falling off of the bone. If I do this, I can just get the meat off of the bone. This is what you want the oxtail to be like. This is how you know that it's ready. So I'm going to taste again the seasoning one more time, and it's perfect. The oxtail is ready at this point. I'm going to go ahead and switch it off. And last but not least, once you've switched off the heat or the stove, it's still hot in there, so you want to go ahead and add the rest of the vegetables, which is the onion, the peppers, and the green pepper. And mix it all up. I like to add the onion, the green pepper, and peppers last. Just mix it all up, because the vegetables will cook with the heat. I mean the steam. The steam will continue to cook the vegetables. And that is it. Then you just wait for it to kind of settle and cool off. And now I'm going to prepare the salad, which is the last thing. There's your final product, oxtail with avocado and green salad. So exhausted, but thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section what type of videos you guys would like to see me upload in the future. Also, let me know if you try this meal, what you think. If you think this is as delicious as I do. See you guys in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.